Okay, in this video, I want to show you something that by just hacking on a trend that already works, such as the 6-7 trend, I was able to get 500,000 views on this video and ultimately make thousands of dollars from exploiting this trend. You could see on YouTube, pretty much in the past month, it's made 2.5K. And on TikTok, I'll have my editor put it on screen, but it's made around 3.5K. That is my videos in total in the past month. But one of the videos that specifically did well and made me a good amount of money just from TikTok was this one right here, where the title is "How Many Balls Can I Juggle?" Now, if we watch this video, you can see one of the main reasons that this video actually went viral. Even 5 is doable with enough practice, but I'd say it really starts to get hard once you start juggling 6, 7, balls. Yep, there you go, 6-7. So obviously, if you guys haven't been living under a rock, you know that there's a huge trend going around right now of people going 6-7. No one even knows how this stupid bullshit started, but every once in a while, a huge trend like this comes along, and if you can hop on trends like this, you can use it to get a lot of views and ultimately make a lot of money. For example, every single comment on this video is Psy, says 6-7, size, open comments, or 6-7, or the 6-7 guy, or more 6-7 posts. Literally everyone here knows that once I said the word 6-7, they went to the comments, they started talking about it, and this rage bait was one of the big things that pushed this video out and made it get a lot of views. And again, on certain platforms, those views can actually translate to real revenue. Because on TikTok, you get paid per 1,000 views that you get on videos over 1 minute long. And on YouTube, you also make money just from the videos that you post as long as you're monetized. And all that it takes to get monetized is 10 million views in the past 90 days. So I wanted to show you guys that's one thing you can do. And I've seen people exploit this strategy time and time again. You can see with 6-7, the search volume on this on Google Trends went from very low to very high in October to November. And still, it's much higher than it ever used to be. Another example I saw of this that initially popped off was the chill guy meme. I'm not sure if you guys remember this. But the chill guy meme was basically this thing. It trended on TikTok for a while. And I basically saw this guy a while ago, basically ripping the exact same types of videos, but he just would repackage it with a new trend every single time. And one of the videos that did well for him was this, where he just did the exact same thing, but then added chill guy meme and changed the title to "You're just a chill guy making this much money with branded dropshipping." Again, he basically does the same thing right here by saying, "Give me a white monster and Wi-Fi and I'll print 100K with branded dropshipping." That's just another repackaging of basically the exact same video he was making right here. And so you can take the same video, repackage it depending on what trend is going on at the time. You can see the chill guy meme was absolutely crazy at this time and get a ton more views off of that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And you're probably thinking, well, how do I actually make money from this on every single platform? Well, the key, in my opinion, is to make sure your content is across every single platform. And the easiest way to do that is with repurpose. That's how I got monetized on TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, pretty much every single social media platform. And all you have to do is go to the link in the description. You can just sign in with Google. It's extremely quick. And you can set up automations between platforms. So I have automations from my Instagram on my juggling account to every single other social media platform, including X, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok. And all of those platforms are monetized and make money. And all I have to do is manually post to Instagram, and repurpose handles the rest by automatically posting that content out to every single other platform. Again, that's how I got monetized on YouTube and made this much money in the past pretty much 30 days, and how you can also get monetized and start making money on social media. I hope this video helped you, and as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.